Google is taking personalized AI to the next level. The company is now expanding its personal intelligence feature to all users in the US, including those on the free tier. Previously, this feature was limited to paid subscribers, but now it's becoming widely available across AI mode in Search, the Gemini app, and Chrome. So what exactly is personal intelligence? It allows Google's AI to connect with your own data, including Gmail, Google Photos, YouTube history, and search activity to give more relevant and personalized answers. For example, instead of giving generic suggestions, the AI could recommend travel plans based on your past bookings, or suggest places you might like based on your photos and habits. In short, it's designed to make AI feel less like a search tool and more like a personal assistant that actually knows you. But there's an important detail. This feature is completely optional. Users have to opt in and choose which apps they want to connect, and Google says it doesn't directly train its models on personal data like emails or photos. Also, it only works with personal Google accounts, not work or school accounts. This is a big shift in how AI works. Instead of giving the same answer to everyone, Google is moving toward context-aware AI, where your answers depend on your life, your habits, and your data. That could make AI way more useful, but it also raises a bigger question. How much of your personal data are you willing to let AI access? Because the smarter it gets, the more it knows about you.